Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to look at how custom list works in Excel. Hana mamangda aikoina autofill option gi chapter da aikoina tamgi matamda one namama matungda aikoina copy tauba tamgre ko one namani one namaga na 2 3 4 matang lakpa adu matamda kai tawi one namata main cell da one irani adu example ama pibum da ka leba 2 pattern du khang na bai damakta aina iningiba posi 1 dagi 2 3 4 ama increment tawraga iningba poni habase koina excel example am view darkar leba. For example, if I press a 1 here and if I drag this one, then it will copy 1 to all cells. It is not simply making increment to 1 2 3 4 and so on. That is because Excel we need to provide a pattern am mo da provide to bunda ka leba. Say suppose I need to hapaga ani se na copy tau taragadi it will give you increment of 1 2 3 4 like this. Aduga atopa aikogi months dagi weekdays tau matam dadi madu darkar leiteba ko. Is for example, let's see January. Okay, January ni namga jing matamda automatically January, February, March, April, May, June, July. Asa matanda ireba ai January haraga February amuk ide, March amuk ide ko, April amuk ide ba. Adu maina muka ina weekdays aso Sunday iraga in drag taw matamda sumaina Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday masa matanda lai ko. Si kari gila ino si Excel da already ko ina custom list ama same aga masagi inbuilt in yauri ba. Aduna aikoi gi oba tongan ba custom list ama same gi haraga di kari dawni aduga same ga dawri sina kari gino. Suppose if I am working in a department where there is some constant terms which I have to use every time I work in Excel. For example, in my case, I have 12 offices under my subdivision. So one of the office name is Chanmari, then Zemapok, then Saitual, then Vang, then Tingsul, then Mopa, then Mimbung, then Jampai, then South Kobung, then what do we have? Ramlun, Darlon, Khozol. So these are the 12 offices under my subdivision. Si hanjin aina thapak tabu kuding isigi office sigi data sing darkar laibi mutung ina in account kaya hangi number wa account open to sumaina ai statistics maintain tauba monitor tauba da darkar laiba aduna worksheet kuding maki hairiba kai singsai type tauba darkar laiba ado aina kai gumba si custom list yaw da targadi every time I open a worksheet I have to retype all this office name again and again. This is not a problem. The problem di natte ba tawbatabu Excel gi lairiba functionality sing do ko na loina use tawba kawe. Ado kamaina se custom list ama semaga. Every time I open any new workbook, I can simply type Janmari and then I will drag it and it will give all the value of this one automatically. Just like Sunday type to buda, Sunday kak type to raga, and this will be ching buda, drag to matamda, weekdays lo piri isa asumaina I should custom list kamai sem with. So the custom list sem the way the mukta ko kai dawni aham the file tab salo, then come to more options. Kai gumba the options si uba pangdragadi more than a view to option lakani. Otherwise in most of the cases you will see option also here. So click option. In the option click advanced. Okay, in the advanced scroll down, you will find here edit custom list edit to sida click to biro. Then you will find some of the custom list already available here. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday sida short Monday lay see labor and ever going to jingbakan the yarido. And Monday Tuesday at full form the later. January February short form the later. January February long form the later. So minor. Although I coin ano one list same edit, there is two method. One is simply click on new list and type here. January, enter Zama book. So mind the Obama, or I can import. So हम the guy import or pay. Come import or kani sida draw text box sida is just simply click to biro aduga aigi leiba data do maram disida data do already in a type to layer banina no namu sida type to bigi darkar laitre ko. So let's delete this one. Now click here and then simply bring your mouse and select these cells. Okay, and then you simply click on import. It has already import. Then click OK and then OK. See, let's do now here Chanmari. Okay, I will simply drag it and it is giving you all information like this. So instead, let's try in another one by opening a new workbook by pressing Ctrl+N. This is a new workbook. So let's type it again, Chanmari, and drag it here. So it is working in all Excel files. Adumaina isagi aina tawriba isagi tawriba thabak department singuda repeatedly koni use toba aduba list laiba taragadi adugi list to in custom list hemaga Excel da happy adu waragadi aigi thabakta 10x time. I will tare save tawgani amasung it will be a wise way. And that's it for this lecture, and I will see you in the next one.